In Vietnam, we do not always need a kitchen to cook a masterpiece.
Sometimes, the best flavors are carried on the shoulders of hard-working women. And a special clay oven that has been used for generations.
This is Banh Can, the sizzling clay pot cake.
No tables, no chairs, just low stools and the open sky.
The batter is simple: soaked rice ground into a milky white liquid.
The molds must be hot, very hot.
In Phan Thiet, we bring the ocean into the cake. Fresh baby squid.
Or sweet, juicy shrimp.
And for richness, a quail egg.
Then we cover them.
Inside the dark clay chamber, the magic happens.
Steam cooks the top, while fire crisps the bottom.
While we wait, we prepare the soul of the dish.
The dipping sauce.
Unlike other regions, Phan Thiet uses a special braised fish sauce.
Scad fish, stewed for hours until the bones melt away.
The reveal.
Look at them. Puffy, white clouds with a golden treasure inside.
Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside.
We serve them in pairs because good things come in twos.
A final touch of green scallion oil.
Shining, fragrant, and inviting.
The smell attracts everyone, from motorbikes to pedestrians.
Now, the assembly.
A ladle of the rich, savory fish gravy.
A sour crunch of green mango to balance the taste.
A tender pork meatball for extra protein.
And crispy pork rinds for texture.
Here you go.
It looks messy, but it tastes like harmony.
There is a technique to eating this.
You don't just dip a little, you submerge it.
Let the porous cake drink up the sauce.
Crunch of the crust. The softness of the rice.
The sweetness of the seafood and the tang of the mango.
The creamy yolk explodes in your mouth.
It is the perfect street food. Fast, hot, and social.
As the sun goes down, the fires burn brighter.
A face that has seen thousands of sunsets, feeding thousands of souls.
Rhythm, speed, passion.
Even the local residents are mesmerized.
The steam carries the story of Phan Thiet into the night.
A story that ends with a satisfied smile.
This is the taste of the coast. Simple, yet unforgettable.
The clay pots rest, waiting for tomorrow.
Squid, shrimp, or egg? Tell us in the comments.
Next time, we go upscale with fresh lobster. Subscribe to Live Vietnam Journey.
Discover the hidden gems.